ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 21 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 2. ಭದ್ರಾಶ್ವನಾಮಕ ಇಲಾವೃತಪೂರ್ವವರ್ಷೇ ಭದ್ರಶ್ರವೋಭಿಃ ಋಷಿಭಿಃ ಪರಿಣೂಯಮಾನಂ ಕಲ್ಪಾಂತಗೂಢ ನಿಗಮೋದ್ಧರಣ ಪ್ರವೀಣಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯಾಮಿ ದೇವಹಯಶೀರ್ಷ ತನುಂ ಭವಂತಂ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಹೇ ದೇವ, ಓ ಎಫಲ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಭದ್ರಾಶ್ವ ನಾಮಕೆ ಇಲಾವೃತ ಪೂರ್ವ ವರ್ಷೆ. In the region known as Bhadrashva, to the east of Ilavrita, Bhadrashravobhihi, Rishibhihi, by the rishis known as Bhadrashravas, Parinuyamanam, praised. Kalpanta Guda Nigamodharana Pravinam, Kalpante Gudanam Nigamanam Uddharane Pravinam, who is known to restore the Vedas which are lost at the end of a kalpa. Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam, thee in the form of Hayagriva with the neck and head of a horse. Dhyayami, I meditate on. Full meaning. O effulgent one, I meditate on thee in the form of Hayagriva, who resides in Bhadrashva, to the east of Ilavrita, who is praised by the rishis known as Bhadrashravas, and who is known to restore the Vedas which are lost in the deluge at the end of a kalpa. Om Tat Sat.